Hi, my name is Marco, 3M Paint Protection Film Authorized Trainer. Today I'm going to speak to you about solutions used during the installation of paint protection film. Throughout my installations, I like to use two solutions. A slip solution, which is a mixture of soap and water, and a Tack solution, which can be a mixture of isopropanol and water or straight distilled water. I like to label my slip solution with blue tape and my Tack solution with red tape, which makes it easier to identify each during my installation process. You also have the option of creating your own hybrid solution using a combination of slip and Tack. Our slip solution, a combination of water and soap, we use throughout the process to clean areas and also during the install, spraying it underneath of the film to help suspend the film and allow us an opportunity to manipulate it and align it. Our Tack solution, a combination of water and isopropanol or straight distilled water, is used to anchor our film in place when we've found our final alignment point. Our Tack solution is also used to flush out edges at the end of our installation or assist in laying down fingers. Throughout the installation, we continue to spray our slip solution over the film surface, which will help reduce friction between the film and our squeegee. For more information on 3M paint protection film products and/or training, go to 3mgraphics.com.